Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Put on cut-resistant gloves and safety glasses before you touch any dart points. Keep other people at least 2 meters away to avoid accidents. Lay the dartboard flat or stabilize it vertically using a wall anchor or 2 hands. Have a small LED headlamp and a magnet tray ready to catch metal shards. Prepare tools. Needle nose pliers with about a 5 mm jaw opening, a 5 mm hex key, a precision screwdriver, and a broken tip extractor if needed. Position pliers about 1 centimeter from the dart point and clamp firmly. Pull straight back while applying a slow counterclockwise twist to release threads or friction fit. Keep the shaft steady with your free hand to prevent bending flights or shaft threads. If the point threads into the shaft, insert a 5 mm hex key into the shaft or use a second plier to hold the shaft. After removal, inspect the tip and shaft for damage before replacing with a new point. If the tip has broken off inside the board, locate the fragment with a small LED light. Use a broken tip extractor or a 5 mm needle punch to push the metal piece out from the back of the board. Apply steady pressure and a slight clockwise twist if the fragment resists, avoiding sudden jerks that could splinter the surface. Once removed, sand the hole gently with fine grit sandpaper and seal with a 3 mm wood plug, or insert a new dart point securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.